Right, why am I only seeing this now then? This automatic umbrella opens up and closes by the click of a button. Like, what? It's literally been raining since July, and only till now did I bother grabbing one. Windproof, and when I say proof, I mean proof. Genuinely couldn't even break it if I wanted to. Like, have you ever seen something like that? And if I'm being honest, you actually might need to grab one of these right now. You see, I picked one of these up for like 30 quid, which I thought was like a reasonable price for an umbrella this good. But I was evidently wrong, because TikTok literally have this thing up on the TikTok shop for like less than £10 at the minute. If I know TikTok, there is no way that this thing's going to stay in stock. So if you were like me, umbrella-less, I've left it in the link down below for you. You can't tell me you don't want something like this.